In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Workspace data. This process is incredibly useful for backing up your important files, emails, and other valuable data, ensuring you have a secure copy outside of the Google environment. Exporting your data can come in handy when switching accounts or simply having a personal backup. Let's walk through the steps needed to achieve this, and remember to follow along carefully. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Google Workspace dashboard. Once there, look for a section labeled Data, which typically contains options for import and export. Click on Data Export, the tool we're going to use for this task. This section is specifically designed to help admins easily extract data from their Google Workspace accounts, and it's quite user-friendly. However, there are a couple of prerequisites you need to keep in mind. If your account is less than 30 days old, you won't be able to export data just yet. Google has this restriction in place as part of their security protocols to prevent unauthorized data extraction. So, if you're trying to export data from a newly created account, you'll need to wait until the account is 30 days old. Moreover, it's crucial that two-step verification is set up on your account. The importance of this step cannot be overstated, as it adds an extra layer of security to ensure that only authorized users can initiate a data export. If you haven't already set this up, you should do so before proceeding with the export. It's a straightforward process where Google will guide you through securing your account with a second verification method, like a phone number or an authenticator app. Once you've checked these requirements off the list and you're eligible to export, simply follow the on-screen instructions within the Data Export tool. Google will guide you through selecting the data you want to export. You can choose to export everything or select specific categories like emails, contacts, and document files. After making your selections, the tool will compile your data and package it for export. It's worth noting that the export process can take some time, depending on the volume of data you're dealing with, so be prepared to wait a bit. Google will notify you when your export is ready for download, providing you a link to access the compressed files. By following these steps, you'll successfully export your Google Workspace data safely and securely. Remember, having a backup gives you peace of mind and flexibility, whether you're planning a transition or just safeguarding your information. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher on exporting your data.